Hey guys, good day everyone. I'll be making a quick educational video for my people on my Telegram group. Just a sharp educational video. Well, this is my Bybit application and this is my account. So I just want to show you guys how to place orders on spot. You can see the clear difference right at the bottom. You can see assets. You can see I'm starting from the right hand side. You can see assets, you can see sports, you can see derivative, you can see market, and last but not the least, home, which we are on right now. So clicking on the assets, this shows your funding account, your unified account, and inverse derivative account. So technically, this funding account is where you store your money, that is only for probably P2P. When you need to do your P2P trading, I won't go into that right now because that's not our main focus. Then the unified trading account, which is this, connects both your sports account and your derivative account, so it's unified, it's all together. So all the balance here on unified trading account gets to cover up your sporting and your derivative portfolio. Good. So let's go into sports. So for sports now, you can see right now we are on BTC. So I will switch to I'll talk about Solana on derivative. So for the sports, let's assume you need to trade Bitcoin, and they have so many options, so many ways to buy or sell. So now we are currently on a buy. You can see the green on. We are currently on the buy. So let's say you are buying. Let's say you are buying Bitcoin at 60,000, and currently Bitcoin is on 66,700. So you get to use the option of the limit, which is this. You use limit in the sense that it allows you to set the level you want to buy in, the level you want to enter, where you want to enter from. So let's say you are buying from 60,000 and currently is at 66,700. So you use limit, you click on limit, then you set where you want to enter from. You set 60,000. So which means whenever Bitcoin falls down to 60,000, you get to buy it cheaper, or you get to enter cheaper. Then here you set the amount you are to bet with, either in BTC or the tab below, which is on USDT. You get to type how much you are buying on USDT. Let's say 5,000, or let's just say 1,000. So if I click buy now, whenever it won't get filled immediately, it will go on orders. Okay, so whenever Bitcoin falls down to 60,000, my entry gets to be picked, and I get to enter into Bitcoin, get Bitcoin on 60,000. Understood? The same goes for selling. If you are selling Bitcoin right now, let's assume you have Bitcoin already and you are in profit, or you are not in profit but you just want to leave, you just want to sell it out. Either you are selling it on market price or you are selling it with limit. If you are selling with limit, this means you want to set a particular zone, the particular price you are selling on. Let's say it's on 66,000 and you want to sell it when Bitcoin gets to 70,000, which means you'll be making more profit. You use limit and set the price you want to sell on. Let's say you want to sell when Bitcoin gets to 70,000, and you set how much. Let's say you want to sell 25% or 50% of your portfolio. You set it like that, and that's it. Okay, so then for market, after the limit, we get to see the other option, which is market, which are the main basic functions I'll be showing you guys here. So for market, this indicates that you are buying at instant current market price. So if you set on market, which means you are buying or selling it right now. Right now. Okay. So the current price that the market is at now, that's what you are selling or buying it. That's for market. Same goes for either buying or selling. If you switch it on market, if you put it on market, which means you are buying or selling right now. It's simple as that. Same thing goes for derivative. Okay, let's go to derivatives. So you can see on derivative, I'm actually on a live trade. I am selling Solana. I think I already dropped the charts, the trading view charts concerning Solana on my group already. You can see that. So I'm selling Solana. Currently I'm in profit, but we're just starting. So you can see if you get to choose on limits, just as I explained for spot, it's the same thing. It's just as easy as that. So the only difference on derivative and spot is that in derivative you get to choose your leverage, which is this figure you see here, 10x. So for me, I'm using 10x right now. I do not want to go into detail about the leverage thing here, but I will only say the more leverage you use, the more risky and more bigger your loss would be if you lost. But on the good side, the more leverage you use, the bigger your profit. So you just have to learn risk management and probably start from a small leverage. You can start from 5. Okay, just to be on the safe side. But for me, I'm using 10 on this trade. So this is for the leverage, and we also have this, the margin mode. So we have isolated, we have cross margin. For the isolated, which I mainly use, this indicates that whatever trade you get into, okay, your liquidity, the chances of you getting liquidated is just the amount you got into the trade on. If you are using cross margin, this can affect even your balance on the trade, though it makes you get more profit, but it can affect your balance, especially when you don't use a stop loss. So I recommend people using isolated margin. Okay, good. So this is my setting. I use isolated margin and I use 10x. If you're a beginner, you can start with 5x leverage, and that's it. So you place in your order price here, which says wherever you want to enter the trade on. Let's say Solana is on 177 and you want to buy it when it gets to 150. So you type 150 here and you type the amount you want to buy. You are buying it with, let's say you are buying it with 500. So this is it. If I click buy now, this will go on order and I'll have to wait till Solana gets to 150. Now it's currently at 177. It's simple as that. This is for buying. Okay, and if it's for selling, I can just fix it that I want to sell at 200. When it gets to 200, and just click the sell button. Simple as that. So whenever I drop signal, it will be easy for you guys now to fix your trade properly yourself. If there's any question, you can actually DM me. When I'm free, I will reply. DM me on my Instagram or WhatsApp. Thank you.